one thing about this first video, this is the first video from What You're Pushing. There's a lot of noise in the background because it did take place at a fiberglass shop. But the guy, Sai, he's with YOKAI Designs. And man, they're doing some real cool stuff, guys. I mean, I really recommend, if you're offering to performance and looks, this is the guy to go to. And he's all about quality. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. And another thing, excuse my rough look right now because I haven't had a haircut in a while. Like I said, I've been on my hustle. This would look like, ooh, look at this. Ooh. This would look like when you're on your hustle. Guys, like I said, bear with me. My goal is to get a haircut by the end of this week because Jada been talking bad about me too, and I know I look like somebody from the 70s. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video, and excuse me, I'm learning how to do this whole YouTube thing, so the more I do it, I think the better I get. But hey, it is what it is. I'm not cutting anything out. It's raw and uncut, guys. So hey, please enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, what do you call it? Subscribe, comment. What's the other thing, Jada? Like. Oh, please like the video. So, well, guys, hope you enjoy. Like, all right, peace out.
Hey guys, I wanted to add this clip in real quick for YOKAI Performance. This dude was so cool enough to show us his demon hoods that he is selling. He also has some new reveals, so y'all go ahead and follow his Instagram. We'll also have it linked down below.
What's the deal? I'm back with another video. I know my boy, actually my brother, played on his shop here, man. Played on here. Hey, man, this shop owned by him and his dad, his brother. They've been doing this for some years, man. They do anything you guys want. But I'm taking before I get to what Fredo got going on here. He got his board here doing his Dawn's charger. And I want to look at this. Look at the hood he got going on. And
the demon
come on, we're going to follow here. Everybody, you ready? All right. And what's your name? Sai. Hey guys, this is Sai, man. Man, good to meet you, bro. And I'm coming here to the shop, and this, hey, got a pleasant surprise here. I'm letting him tell you about the hood. So which one?
All right, so right here we got a 2017 RT Track Pack. Right now we have 3 question marks on the side because of what's going to go in here. We're going to have a twin turbo, either a 426 stroker or a 400 stroker. Completely built transmission, everything. Right now we're just doing our final touches to mass produce our Demon hood. So of course you know the Demon from the Challenger, very fast car. The beauty of it is this puts a lot more airflow in the engine bay. Okay. So on my way over here from Austin, there was only 10-degree difference between my air intake temperature and the air outside.
Oh shit!
And for Hellcats and stuff, usually there's almost like a 30-degree difference.
Yeah.
So there's performance right there. I mean,
Get on here.
Yeah.
These are pretty much air pumps. So the more air you can put in, the more air you can put out.
Yeah.
Long story short, so that's our whole thing. Putting as much air in here as possible. Right now we just have a 5.7 to start with. It just has some shorty headers, cool air intake, car body, not tuning, but yeah, we're still finishing up the underside of the hood. Factory mounts bolts right on. Everything's pretty much stock, as if Dodge made it.
Yeah.
The bottom part, all the indentations for our cooling galleries and stuff, goes straight ahead, airflow in. Goes on either side of the engine bay and comes out through the headers. So you have a little bit of a downforce aspect right there. We're in the works to do a lot of custom stuff. We're actually gonna be probably doing bumpers, but we're gonna make a full functional wide body kit. Okay. So you see, everyone always puts on fenders and fat tires, and that's great. But how's your Hellcat gonna compete against a GT500 Mustang on a track or a ZL1 Camaro, which is built for the track, right? Yeah. Now, what we're trying to do is at YOKAI, we combine form with function. Okay. So we make aesthetics work with real design, like real engineering and design. So hence, like the functional demon hood. Yeah. A lot of aftermarket demon hood people, their fitment's off, or it's not even parallel, or it's not even functional. But for ours, we have a lot more. Or actually, the stock demon vent is only about this big. Okay. So we have about half an inch extra, a quarter inch, 3/4 of an inch extra space on the other side, so more air in the engine bay. But we're going to completely do a full functional wide body. Ones out on the market, the only like JDMS ones are like Shirokai.
Okay.
And those have like fender vents, but they're not even open vents. There's more real flat
more for look.
Right. So once you're going over 100 miles an hour, how's that air in the fender going to release?
Exactly.
So you have drag.
Yeah.
Slowing your car down. And you know, if you can't go past 120, 140, 150, then like, what's the point of having an engine that could do that?
Exactly.
So here at Yokai, we combine form and function. And we get an engineering masterpiece. Yeah, this is all us. So right there, we have a red eye hood. Actually, this is our other. This one we cracked on purpose. Actually hit it with a hammer. This is airplane grade fiberglass, so it's really strong.
Okay.
I pulled an Elon Musk and I hit I hit it, and it was strong enough. It held up. It was only the paint that cracked.
Okay.
So we just have to put a little bit more primer in there next time, and it'll be fine.
Well, that's some damn good shit. We only
Yeah,
paint.
for real.
Definitely, yeah. And that's coming soon, 2021. This is actually gonna be released at Lamb.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a booth. I think was that Lone Star Motocross? I don't know. Whichever event, they had to get pushed, you know, because of all this Corona stuff.
Oh yeah.
But we're coming back and we're gonna have that. But that's
You been out there. You said SEMA too, huh? You think
yeah. So we were at 2019 SEMA under our awesome car. They went under a wrap company.
Okay.
And then they called us 1 month after we opened the company, like, hey, we're gonna need a demon hood.
Yeah.
Now, at that point, I was figuring out manufacturing, and I only had one of one.
Yeah.
So within 1 week, I completely stripped the paint, sanded it down,
Yeah.
put the paint on there. Shout out to one of my friends. He actually really helped me out.
Yeah.
It was Rhino Co.
Okay.
Yeah, Rhino Co was one of our original sanders and painters. He's stellar, and he helped us out. He repainted it, got it all black, and I drove all the way out to West Texas.
Yeah.
And I met her all the way from Nevada. And we swapped hoods.
Yeah. What the?
So I put this was me, 20-year-old college student, ramen, you know,
Ramen.
put all my savings together, hopped up in the Charger, drove all the way out there. We swapped hoods. I had a black Scat Pack hood, and she had a Demon hood. And then the guy wrapped, and it was at SEMA. Anyway, that's a little sport performance.
Get on this.
Okay. Oh,
Stay
yes.
tuned, 'cause we got a lot of stuff coming through.
I'm a follow
Y'all heard the
this.
guy, YOKAI Performance, guy. YOKAI Performance.
It's clean. I like the wheels.
Man, that's fucking beautiful, man. That's real beautiful.
It is.
Yeah,
I like that,
I'm over
man.
here scratching up my stock payment stuff. I don't care.
Yeah, yeah.
Right now,
We got
what
all-
makes I want to make a product worthy enough to put on anyone's car.
Exactly.
We have all these
Exactly.
pre-orders, right?
Yeah.
And all these customers are waiting, but
Yeah.
they know exactly what they're waiting for.
Exactly.
So, yeah,
Oh,
literally,
man.
That is nice.
a little bit more about our back history. So, yokai in Japanese means demon.
These,
Oh, wow. I didn't know that.
This is a
like that.
logo.
AT.
Oh,
Actually drew
man.
that up in the middle of class.
Oh, that's
Oh,
cool,
I like
man.
that.
That is gravy.
Oh, that is
man.
so dope.
Yeah,
That is
so,
gravy.
This is our Oni hood. ONI, that's the Oni demon. So everyone always looks at, like, they think of Japanese demon, they always think of, like, the usual Oni
Yeah.
mask.
Yeah.
So that's what, so each of our
Oh.
hoods are going to be called a specific Japanese name.
Yeah.
This is the Oni hood, and then that's our Fury. our
Yeah.
Red Eye
Okay.
hood.
Gotcha.
So all of our products are going to be named after, like, mythical, like, Japanese demons.
Yeah.
Because the Fury is actually a monkey that terrorizes them at night.
Okay.
Jumping from tree to tree, and it's really fast. So when I visualized this hood in mind, I thought of like an all black Charger zooming in the street,
Yeah.
like a monkey jumping from tree to tree, like
Yeah.
with demon eyes and stuff.
That's cool. I like that.
That visual.
That
And
is-
especially with this hood, you know, it's like aggressive. It's basically our logo. It's,
Oh, man.
yeah, other people have definitely come out with a bunch of demon hoods.
Yeah.
But to this day, all our customers, like, they can go ahead and get one in like
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
But why are they waiting 6 to 7 months
Yeah.
for this stellar product?
Okay.
We're about 1 month away from production, and everyone can get their order. I just want to put out a superior product with my name on it.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. Quality.
For anything
So
else,
that you
I
get
would put
quality.
my-
Yeah, for real. That is
this,
so
this
dope.
fucking look bad, man. You
It
gotta see
does.
this, you know.
Here,
You know,
watch out.
come to the shop and I really
I like
expect
that.
the surprise, man. This is beautiful, man.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, brother. What's your name again?
Oh, Sai.
Sai. And this is Sai, guys, man. And man, you did a damn good job,
did.
man. I really can't wait to see
Appreciate that.
that.
Yeah, I did the
It
whole
looks so
19
clean,
grill
too.
swap,
Oh,
the whole
sorry.
Hellcat vents.
And I can wait to
It's
see
all
that.
lowered on, I bought lowering springs, pretty much stock rims, but
Yeah.
between us, we're working out something with HRE, where we're
Okay.
going to create a, HRE?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
We're
yeah.
going to create, we actually met here that.
Okay.
We're going to create a custom one-of-one Yokai rim.
Yeah.
Yokai X HRE come out to go be on the wide body.
Got you to go with the hood and everything.
Go with the
else.
hood and everything.
Oh, man. Wow.
Yeah, we're going to finish up the wide body kit,
Yeah.
but of course I'm going to have like some roller rims to get delivery and stuff. But once we're ready, we got our rims, HRE X Yokai possibly, and it's going to be amazing. It's in the works.
That's dope.
Oh, we're gonna be
Yeah,
proud of you
appreciate
guys,
it.
man. Hello. God damn it. All right, hello, YouTubers. Hey, welcome to the first early edition of What You Pushing. All right, these vlog, god damn it. All right, hello, YouTube. Hey, this is C-Bone and my car is called Cam.
Oh my God. Jesus.
Shut up. Okay. All right, guys. Shut up. All right, guys. That's my daughter arguing with. I'm going to give this video to you uncut. Screw it. I don't care anymore. It ain't going to be no perfect video. I'm doing the best I can. Yes, we put the video as is. I'm tired of, no, screw that. I'm tired of trying to make, so anyway,